Good morning, guys. It is day one of Coachella. Sebastian and I are at Palm Springs with the Max Connectors team who've all come over from Australia. We got here yesterday, but as I said, today's day one. So I'm at Coachella thanks to Neutrogena and Nude By Nature. So I'm starting my day off with a purifying boost. Now my friend always raves about these and it's the first time I'm using it. It's so good. What people say about this is true. And I really like that it's actually really comfortable to wear. Anyway, so I'm putting this on. I'm going to do a really light makeup today because the team is going to hang out by the pool. So while this is getting to work, I'll just show you our little setup. We're in a hotel room. We have 2 beds, which I'm really happy about because I like to have my own bed. I sleep with Sebastian, obviously, but I like to put all my clothes and all my stuff on one of the beds. Anyway, take a look at this amazing view from our room. So we're gonna meet the Max Connectors team down there to hang out by the pool, which means I've got to do my makeup now, but obviously I'll be out in the sun, so I'll need some SPF. I always like to rub the rest of the mask on my chest when I'm done, because I'm frugal. Cool. I've also got another one, which I'll probably need. It's so dry here, guys. We're in a desert, so it's actually very good, and I like it because it's light in your luggage. So this is where I've got all my sunglasses, all my handbags, and then my shoes, clothing. I mean, that's a bit messy, but I do like to set everything up. So we've got this closet, and these are some of the things that I was thinking I might wear to Coachella. Okay, cool. Time to do my makeup. Okay guys, so by the pool, obviously all I really need is SPF, but I do like a little bit of tint as well. So all I did was put my moisturizer on, and I actually have some eyeliner and mascara on because I did just take an Instagram picture. I'm gonna take the Ultra Sheer Fluid from Neutrogena. This is an SPF 50, and it is designed for your face. But then I do also want a little bit of coverage because, can you see my skin there? I do have a little bit of discoloration I want to cover. So this is the Nude By Nature Sheer Glow BB Cream. And this one is in the color Natural Tan. Put a little bit on my hand, and then I'm going to mix the BB cream in with it. Mix them on my hands. Wow, looks so good. I feel like I can hear kids outside. I was thinking to myself last night how annoying it would be if you didn't know it was Coachella weekend and you booked what you thought was going to be a nice relaxing holiday in Palm Springs with your family or your wife, and then there are all these people partying and coming back at all hours of the morning. Now because I have my eyebrows tattooed, that's the beauty of that. I don't have to put anything on by the pool, but I do just want to cover these annoying blemishes. So this is the Flawless Concealer in 05 Sand from Nude By Nature. Just gonna dot that over my boo-boos. That one's kind of hiding, but I'll get it anyway. This is also really handy for my Coachella purse. And then I'll just blend that in with my finger. So nice. Oh, I didn't blend that one. So now that's on, I've got sun protection on, and I feel like my skin's a little bit more even and glowing. I'm just going to put my bikini on and meet the others down at the pool. So, gosh, it's such a nice day. Don't worry, I will put body sun cream on. I've got it right there. I'm going to pack it in my bag.
Hey guys, this is mine.
Okay, so we're here. They've organized like bottles. Hey, that's got my name on it. Oh my god, I can't believe I said no before. Maybe I'll have to have one. The pool is looking really good right now because it's super duper hot out. So I think I'm gonna go in. Okay, that was short-lived. It's a bit hot, so Seba's arrived and he's got himself a hot dog. We're just gonna go back to the room. I'm gonna sleep and then we've got to start getting ready for the actual festival. You caught me just doing the final check. Where's the light? Okay guys, so I'm ready. I've got a pretty sexy little top on, but I've paired it with this cute skirt and badass combat boots. And a jacket for when it gets cooler later. So. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the sun tonight. We got in. We've got our 18 plus band.
19, it's 21.
Oh, oh yeah, 21, my bad. And we can see the Ferris wheel. Back on the bus. Oh look, it's empty. This is all there is, guys. Yeah, we are the remnants of Coachella 2018. So we waited. We really had a fun time watching the weekend. Yeah, but we left a little bit early so we could make it to the bus. And I think there's still 2 more people, but we didn't find them. We waited for a little while, but I think maybe they probably went home in an Uber and maybe they didn't have a reception. But yeah, we're going home now. My voice is completely...
It's shot. Who are you?
I'm rooting.
You're not Chloe. Who are you?
So we're gonna go home now and then hopefully get some good sleep. Oh my god, I sound so bad. Someone take over. Seba and I are in bed right now and it's very late. We had an amazing time at Coachella. We made some new friends. We got to see heaps of fun acts. And tomorrow is going to be even more fun because we're going to be more organized. So we'll see you guys then. Good night. Hey guys, good morning. Well, actually it's lunchtime. The Max Connectors team have just arrived at a restaurant. We're going to have a special picnic style, I think, restaurant at this cool place. Yeah, last night was really fun. We got some good sleep. But we are pretty hungry because we didn't have breakfast. So here we are. It looks amazing. There's tables over there all set with amazing food. They've just asked me what cocktail I want, but I think I'll save myself for tonight. It looks so cool and I'm desperately hungry, so I'm pretty keen for it. All sitting down. I'm on the table with Sally, Jill and Sebastian, and we've got bagels to start out, which is like my fave. with this cream cheese and dill topping. So delish. What else have I got? Oh, this is yogurt with what looks like, what are those little bowl things?
Raspberries?
No, chia. I know what a raspberry is. Yes, and then this is yogurt with chia and raspberries. Super delish. And there's also a dessert, which is makeup.
Delicious.
Thanks, Jill. That's
Yummy.
Jill's favorite one.
Yummy.
What's that called?
Champagne.
What are you getting, Seba?
Sliders, but I just had a yogurt, which was delicious.
I've got a salad coming too. Oh my gosh,
Oh, here
the
we
sliders
are.
are here.
Nice. Thank you.
Lovely.
Thank you. I think
Thank
you got the sliders as well. Yeah?
Yes. I think I mentioned that.
I'm enjoying my salad and I realize I married a child. He's calling himself, what were you, like the Wolverine?
Yeah, of course. Fry Wolverine.
Honestly. Headed back to the bus now. Oh my god, it's so bright. Oh, struggle down. Okay, what's next? So we have to go back to the hotel and just get ready for Coachella because we want to try to go a little bit earlier today because there's some cool like art installations and stuff. Hey guys, it's like 2 hours since I last spoke to you and now I'm ready for Coachella day 2. Sebastian and I are ready early. We wanted to be ready. Why can't I see you?
You know why? Because you have a grease filter like always?
No, I cleaned it twice. You saw me. Okay, that's better. He's got a blood nose. The air's so dry here that his nose keeps bleeding. So we wanted to go really early today to Coachella, but I had some issues with my outfit. Basically, I'm wearing shorty shorts and the top I had first chosen was like a midriff top and it just felt like way too exposed. So I had to get changed and I'm still exposed, don't get me wrong. But it's like a sheer top so it feels like less. And I'm wearing Sebas hat which is way too big. So hopefully it doesn't, I hope it's not windy out there. So today's exciting because Beyonce's playing, but we wanted to go a little bit earlier in the day so that we'd have some daylight to look at all the art installations and stuff. All right, everyone's here. Woo. We made it again. We made it inside. Where's the first stop?
The first stop is the main area, or no, the VIP, then the main area.
You want to get a drink first? And then
Definitely.
We'll go? Okay. Epic. Can't wait for day 3 because Sunday is day 3 and Cardi B is playing and I am like her biggest fan. I really love her personality and so I just can't wait to see her live on stage. So if you want to see the rest of our vlogs, go head over to our joint channel, Seba y Chloe, and you can watch it there. Plus we have a bunch of other vlogs. So hope you guys enjoyed this year's Coachella vlog. I'll see you over on our joint channel.